Okay, people, we're from a Pakorich to the Rich now. Today, yeah, well, Salt Pond, or yeah, the most popular place or Salt Pond. Obianyum ha higher bypass. I mean, if you take crowd area, if you man can see me, if you are crowd you need to pass through bypass and sign you do Salt Pond. Earlier on, I think last 2 weeks, me make it post to be about your brother or your Kamal. Now, it generated a lot of conversation and a lot of people want to know more about him, what is going on. Obi crying or be said and why come on. Obi so be said and I come on and so and I may walk come on what having any business come on. We'll find out what happened, why they ought them in small CCA. You don't coffee the you want to start artist or you want to start in the past, and we would like to hear from him. Any colleagues are on you want to start here and they are making it in the music and industry. Nana saw what he has for himself, what he wished to do, because I mean there are lots of friends out there what better what born. And yeah, you come on but you can come on. You're dying and have a CCI bar. We'll give you details of this conversation. My name is Pakorich. I'll be right back. Okay, so right about time, maybe share come on as a with a go town, yeah, coffee, but funny if you bypass your coffee. You want trouble freestyle, come on. Yes. Charlie, tell them, this is Nipa ready. What I want. Okay, and see that I'm a Kenny or come over, Hana, you come over, but train come on, Kaka 1 2 1 2. Charlie, brother, not none. I mean, I do. Yet so one catcher. Go for babies, who are chair. Now, who's in Ankasoya because Obi Frau come, Obi for revelation. Obi so buzzing for be was social media, but then on so better. How many names now? Wankasa. Okay, my nickname are from Revelation. Revelation. The English name are from Isaac Calmore. All right. So these two names now, it's from Zegor, yeah, that's the name I'm talking about. Obibo Zegor needs it now. I don't know. I think 3 weeks ago, my bad time when as usual tax movement, yeah. And but I would rather take you a picture which will generate a lot of conversation and actually bring help to you. It's true. I took that picture and I posted it on social media, and then it seems you have a lot of fans out there. It's true. Fan will show that what I feel. A lot of people wanted to know what was wrong with you. Where have you been all this while? Now, you started from the top. Come on, how did it all start for you? Because most people, when you're there, those days you were doing music, very active music. Time I was SHS and war. I take another take, and then those days in work SRI performance. I when you Shatawale and Asako, I'm bad, no show. It's true. What happened? Train the journey from Asutech and how it all started, and who you started with. Okay. When I was in SS1. When I was in SS1, yeah, my tight crew was Dr. Crime. Okay, that is the crime. Yeah, we went to school at Aztec and we were doing music together. And we were tight friends. We recorded sounds that we aimed at after school. We bring the sound out. Is there any of those sounds that I can't able to? Ato those are na wakai with those days. Oh yeah. Yeah, ibinye mona. Anaji fe me ba unche me ba yesi huniwo me huwa mintu minda odobe ye me atu anaji fe me ba unche. Oh, you want to read Charlie vibe it all still. So let's continue the story. Now, then I was a school dropout. So well, I was not dropping out school. I went to campus and I went out and I didn't take ESIAT and they didn't allow me for the first time. So I keep on doing that and they didn't like in the school. Okay. So I have to be a school dropout. Okay. Into many clear actually. And it was school all right, but then I was in the echo outside NJ exit. So the school authorities will not see. Yes. There, you've been doing that for a very long time, and then what dismissal? Yes. Now what dismissal? If your parents wamba kebi amawana
Oh no, I'm on indefinite suspension.
Oh, okay.
SS1.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Was no one to more sound when you in school bill.
But those days in a pay for school na ekwan fa.
Make a town.
Town again.
Him rap show, look or do agree, national, Kwaboche, at this school.
So it was all about the passion for music.
You
know, leading to your exit in school. I mean, yeah, one could see now what the story. For example, so was similar story, but at least Nezen or taking new to the next level because so yeah, Uncle Freddie Emma or recording or Sonny Monade. But after what movie school, what happened?
I was in the house and it came about I got sick, so my parents took me to the hospital. And through that, my life was miserable. I didn't see what happened. I didn't even notice my life. I was working anyhow, and it was very tough for me. My life was not the way that I was thinking that I would be in future, but it turned upside down for me. So I didn't know what to do. I was there up to this time, not doing anything. But first I was going to studio, I was going to Hammer of the last two, I saw more musicians, and Hammer even featured me on Miss Bell's track.
Which of Miss Bell?
Must be Laboro.
Laboro, eh? Yeah. Okay, so anybody who knows Miss Bell, our friend Laboro, you can actually Google it on YouTube and find out because Kalmo was on that song.
Yes.
And it was produced by Hammer, right?
Yes.
Okay. So come on, Mimbi Sawo. You said you got sick.
Yes.
But what actually led to the sickness? You have no idea. In him.
Oh.
Or you doesn't lead to the sickness.
So meaning so you soon bow.
Or you soon
Obino attack because you been maybe the stage. Not only boy no manu. It was spiritual and it brought a lot of problems to me.
Okay. Yes. Personally, doing the research, by then I was young. Those days in Amomoye, big brothers. In Amona Rock, Moron is the city. Now, I heard about this story that you are saying, but we would like to go into details.
Yes.
The whole story was my memory there. There was some walking stick which a friend of yours, Papa Noyeneze.
Yes.
And then Moziko stage. How did you go by? Like then I was saka dam for man. When you uncle knows the bay and
on the bay.
On the bay stage. As I perform.
No effect.
Pomanots and then can you describe it?
Oh, Pomano is spiritual. Pomabi, but I mean about spiritual Pomada. And we do a normal Pomawa design and them.
Yeah.
But not knowing the spiritual. Papa no kaju Mali.
Oh, okay.
Mala manga zanga.
Okay.
But also okay in so one can't papa. As was in was okay me. On my musical stage, me your stage yaponi. The next day musical Katina Yankufu na Pomano yewe. It's me who be no boy and I had a bonny yerba mama so minya yerba.
Okay.
And of course them problems in there.
So this walking stick here Erica say. Currently Erica's walking stick in Ayo.
Yo, I almost 14, 13 years ago.
14, 13 years ago. I can't baby at the Katina or your way now.
Guichi.
Iguichi for day.
Baby, I know we'll see it down for me.
We'll see market. Okay. Get to one now.
Oh, when you
get to. Okay. That's quite sad, and I don't know how to go about this thing, but me sure there'll be or what Pomano you whereabouts, but we would like to plead there'll be or what on him Pomano whereabouts are your best friend there and car on Fambra, because from conversation I am having Pomano here the points of contact of his problems. Moro Koduni and I'm working stick and it is in connection with his problems, and I think whoever is watching who knows any another word dreamy be another is spiritually inclined obotum watchen akwanchebia obotum aya wafom, and like I'm saying, he knows that he did not do the right thing. I mean, yeah, from any mistakes, and then unfortunately on any mistake and what cost in a lifetime career Because like he was saying, the likes of D Crime and who else again?
R2Bs.
R2Bs.
Aman
Sanchiame.
He brought Ademado.
Crazy. Yeah, I know them.
We were friends with Sako there.
You see?
I was in Tema, so all the music boys at Tema, they were my friends.
Yeah.
We moved together, we talked together, we share ideas together before they came out with their own albums.
Do you remember some of the Tema engineers and you are recording EB? Some of the sound engineers you ever worked with when I was Tema?
Yeah, Giga Rock.
Yeah,
come tonight.
By then, did you know of Killbeat and other BBD?
Killbeat, yeah. Killbeat was my friend.
Killbeat was your friend. And then in Posigi,
yeah.
Posigi, yeah.
Side
I mean, anybody watching this video from Tema would know that the guy has a lot on him. Because from what we knew that Kamal had in him, and like by now, and with the community that I come from, South Pond, he would have been a shining star here. And in the Ashama for Kedo, was Tomboy, Beam Nation for Ashama. Would have had this brilliant guy, and trust me, if I were up there and young guys baby Awaraban, I'm sure then Kono Boso one sim or the one afro. There are a lot of people doing music in South Pond, but still, Yenya Dami breakthrough, that kind person or up there. No? And it's not too late for him. Come on, do you still have hope there?
Yeah, I have the hope that I can do music still.
Currently, I can say, what is your major challenge? What problem when you bazi?
Major problems just to, keep myself clean, going up and down, studioing, writing new songs.
Yeah.
And I hope God is going to let me get a breakthrough.
First of all, you personally, you are aware there. What problem or the spiritual side of it?
Yes.
Where to money be like with a family or any other person? Obinoma bomb way to more spiritually.
Yeah, my uncle a bumpire. Yes.
Be very honest with me. I'm your brother.
Yes.
I mean, I really want to help you. There are thousands of people out there. A lot of people want to help you out there. Tell me, do you do drugs?
I don't do drugs. But I've smoked ganja before.
You smoke weed?
Yeah.
When was the last time you smoked? Be very honest with me because the people out there want to help you. When was the last time you smoked?
Yesterday.
Yes. But then, are you very much aware there, going forward then, say, you have to quit smoking?
Yeah.
And how difficult is it for you to quit smoking?
Oh, it's not any difficult because I went through myself, and if I want to stop, I'll be able to stop.
Are you very sure about that? Because I know you are not working.
Yes.
Mainly you depend on people to eat.
Yes.
And to say, I will depend on Kofu or not done. If you have money to smoke, it wouldn't motivate them. On someone in credit, you will be a young farmer. Come on. So this is on national TV. I want you to promise the people out there that from today, from your own mouth, you are telling them that you are quitting smoking. Now, if they want to help you, they should help you because you're giving them that assurance.
Yes.
Because I'm going to be out there for you.
Yes.
There are a lot of people I contact and one hour brochure that they really want to help you.
It's true.
Currently, I make a say a sound engineer, our friend Corpo.
Yes.
You know, a Tifloni producer. He's ready to produce a lot of songs for you.
Okay.
Yeah, well, Solomonata.
Yes.
Or yeah, I is some former manager.
Yeah.
He loves you so much that he's ready to go out there to record you, produce you, hold you down. Well, who made to be your friend and Nana?
Yes.
Nana or US. Nana wants to help you. There's another lady on Instagram who also wants to help you. So I want you to make that promise to them there. You are going to stay away from smoking because one, your spiritual side and you need to check your medical side. And
it's true.
I'm not against smoking.
No.
But currently, mood a woman and situation a woman smoking will do you no good. Because in here clear mind, in here adrenaline to write good music, you need better time for yourself than smoking.
Yes.
So I want you to promise your viewers out there that you, Kalmon, you are telling them that you are saying no to smoking today.
Okay. Viewers, I'm saying no to smoking today. Since from today, I promise that I'm ever ready. If anybody who wants to help me, I've quit smoking, so they should try to open the way that they've planned to open it for me, and I hope God is going to bless them.
Okay.
God bless everybody.
All right.
I love everybody too.
They love you too. You are wearing a nice T-shirt. Yes. What is written in it?
As you can see,
it is Plus 89.9 FM. Okay, it's one of the biggest radio stations in Accra. Yes, it's a music channel actually. I'm a friend of that channel.
Okay.
Most of the DJs there are my friends. And then you were wearing their brand and they are listening to your story.
Yes.
Now me assure pade if a bon human nese eyanyom now when you know you're very good you are assured of radio promotion in Accra. There are lots of TV stations. Me personally, when you do everything right, and I mean that's day you've changed, I bet our life. I'm going to shoot a music video for you for free.
Okay.
Put it on TV. Make sure that it's well promoted. Okay.
Okay.
And see, your fans miss you.
Yeah.
Ma want freestyle. Now won't say okaka.
And then we see my way. Say so be a who say Embanua doso. Embanua dos so ba so do me I breathe na me who so do me afno me who day afno who me so ba so do me I breathe na me who so do me afno me asuwete ene o metikopo so do me aboabo na yenko asuwete ene o metikopo Sawodomia Boabo, una yanko, Sawodomia, your baby mammy wo, and mammy drinking, and yes, a tintinto, Adami Wama, and Mupich and Coco, Revelations set to a most more, as we would say, and no meticopo, Sawodomia Boabo, una yanko. And then we see my airways. That's okay.
That's okay. I mean, it's a nice song. So a song like this, and can now know a probinas and art to that. A prominent feature nanka ever current artist now.
Okay, my future Dr. Crime.
Oh, you still want Dr. Crime on? Okay, so Kwesi Darlington, this is your own brother. His name is Kalmon. Now your brother wants to put you on his first single.
Yes.
I'm sure you believe in him so much, and then you will definitely be happy to see him out there. So D Crime, your brother wants you on this song. Currently, I'm from Southport. He's from Southport. He's a brother. And a small community, so we love to help each other. So what I'm going to do, D-Crime, is that I'm going to actually get a good sound engineer who matches up to your standard to produce a song for him. I'll personally send you the beats so that you put up a verse on for Kalmon. He's your brother. And I'm sure this is not so much to ask of you. I know you definitely do that. Inti, Kalmon, yes, D-Crime, on Jado, but Amy Ankasa, I'm sure that D-Crime is ever ready to do a song with you. Apart from D-Crime, who else are you looking out for to do a joint with him?
Oh, R2Bs.
R2Bs?
Yeah.
Is it Moogies or Payday?
Two of them.
Two of them. Okay, so R2Bs. Come on. I don't know if you still remember him though, but he's a brother from the past and he wants a collabo with you. If you can help him in any way, reach out for your brother and do him that help. Come on. You're about to interview though, but let's have a personal conversation. I mean, are you dating?
No, I'm not.
Have you dated?
Yeah, I'm having a child who is in SS3.
Wow! And what about SS3? So how do you take care of your child?
It's all God.
But
and when people help me, I'm taking some to her.
So how often do you see your child? Every day?
Not every day.
Or when emphasis?
No,
but are you still having any relationship with the mother?
No.
Why? The mother doesn't like you anymore. I'm on check will be
so to me them because on be as
What about how many years?
Or 18 years.
18 years. Charlie, I mean, if not for anything, we should all help Kamal because of Oyoba and Benin. Wow. I mean, let's help Kamal to take care of Naba Besia. He's been through a lot. He's been through a lot. I mean, Obia was sort from Bia. I mean, in Konya Feda, Brent Yadaman, currently, someone what taxing as tax collector, or you tow or bypass. But in Konya Fe, on your face, I mean, he's a very strong man who is very talented and creative. Nka ninyi mzee anade achaza nyankopɔ zaman and on two minutes in form. But ambanadam esani bi aton wama abrabo ma ayezona man. Inti yaresrawan. Friends, every school every year.
Me a school dropout.
Okay, but who made for like every year in the school? 2000. Okay, so what Aztec?
Yeah, Aztec.
All right. So Aztec, I was starting SS1 2000.
2001.
This is 2001. This is your mate. 2002. This is your own mate. Kyle Moore. He needs your help. If old school union, you can come together and help him. That would be great.
I went to St. John's to Accra.
Okay, of course St. John's or Accra. Only not a basic school, right?
No, a boarding house.
Boarding house. Okay. So anybody too who knows him from Accra, St. John's, only a year.
Only 92, 93 going.
Okay, so 92, 93 badge, St. John's. Kamal is your own. Yambo one. Every man na kasa so asha body. As our friend we all know me. I'm not against it anyway, but with his condition right now, I don't think it wouldn't do him any help. Sabi then obi more bizarre. Yada kakre bengana the kachicher. Mama yana kasa. And then on your kasa and continue na yambon pie and faman now on one. And see my background. War help. I'll create a WhatsApp group for Kamal. Currently on your phone. And see one more phone about to me user. Android.
Yeah.
Another pay me abi.
For the meantime, on the do baby yami abi and potom bonum.
But when the CC are there, and then you need a digital. Others are into say a BBA or there it to me communicate with fans on social media. And I say so. I mean the friends out there. Come also on your phone and you may hear catch one.
Oh, me here
basic one say here feed in ya one first thing obi chawazi na cotton. It's a no. Once you do that, Obia will withdraw helping you, and you should know that. Kasawa can mwana kasina manoriba.
Yes.
So one can say the a lot of things will come your way.
You know.
Apart from mobile phone, you never has be on here. Okay. Currently in Tele where are you? On those one. Okay, Mankasa, I'm promising you next trip I'm about salt when I'll bring you a set of clothes like my brother. See, I'm high so I have smaller ones there that you can wear. So I'll bring you. So anybody also who wants to help the brother, I mean, let's help a brother.
The money is very problem for me.
Okay, and I'm brother so sika, drete, lajan, cash, quiddy. American for friend Benjamin. Our bank account.
No.
Okay. So what we do is that if they get you the phone now, you better pay MT and SIM. Na ebia e ID card. Then you register for mobile money. Then we contribute. I'm sure they will look up to you every month. But one can mention my boyfriend we ye no be inspire one.
Okay.
So obi send 2 million, net 2 million in na koto high grade. Na enoma oka 2 cedis that are koto trefunta. Na enoma osan one kasa hu bio. As I say, who studio recording adini na your friends out there want to take good care of that. Alasa. Nti wabɛyɛ na wahwɛ. Na apart from enyoma no so, edwuma bi wɔ ha nke be pedebosia because music is not 100% guaranteed as a profession to lead you in. I mean Ghana here one year systems no share that edwuma. Royalties na anya papa bi adam. Nti edwuma bi wɔ ha be pede nke botuma aye. It's support one abrɛ because enyoma one bottle bi are still ebedidi. In your show are still you need to eat. COVID be obi embo show. Alaza. Nti would you need any other profession? Edwuma bi o anke nyanka be ya.
Kono so bobo kakranka.
Today ba ebe edwuma dem boy wa no kasa.
Maybe a minya mpobo bi amotuma tunton.
Okay, nya sneakers are like
tunton.
Oh, okay. All right. I mean, salt pond in Pobwa Oboko fast. I'm one. All right. Yes. But you almost if you are because on our capital inclusive because in Pobwa I could say 200 Ghana cedis. In the chair, 1,000 Ghana crowd was torn. I do give me a 5 pay. Alas, apart from on any Juma Kakasun, if you do 1 more BB Kakra, but to that down.
The memory cards.
Okay. All right. I mean, once I watch, and some of them are very business minded. You know, Inti Obiasumo Fido Botuma. I also where you may be a fide, Botum it's an asha, but it's an asset there. Already a room into woman, but man a chance na like guiding her then. I mean, you can also reach out and help. Come on, when was the last time I called hospital?
Hospital
Acher. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Oh okay. Oh okay.
You want a bed in mom.
Oh okay.
Since some time,
hospital. Yara, how do you manage?
Yeah, me catch me aunties. Yeah, no, I'm born.
Of course. Okay. Currently, artists are all out, and when I don't be in a feeder, one your pa.
Oh, musician behind you are penning, and I'm a penning by all them painful one. Yeah. You painful bits there, Reggie, or Brafo, Lord Kenya, or Comfort Day. It's an uncomfortable was one at first, and then you know, rap, papa. Reggie and Uncle. Reggie's a social media father. It's able to I freestyle Reggie Kakao, but a worker. Reggie, you're better. A brolachi Matsinara, Beba Suman Krara, Mishera, Libilibi Laba, Kokonsani Padane once ma Ohame Papa, Raston, Yesa, Monamki Kaka, Fitting Melinda, Kosi Ejora, Swan bombing dear, Winter, or Papa, Regia, microphone, Jata, or doctor, the Sikuma, Michin Pop, Mijin Chia, me Bia, me Baba, to me Boga, you friend here, Senahano, Senahado, me Boa, Mekokana, Mr. Pete, police, Japa, the last warning, you Bepra, and Jessica, need a bepe or the part, win your finance, same job, Minister, Kwame Pepra, catch your boy in some coffee if you now say.
Where's to see a plan A?
Me coffee and I make a chain.
Plan B?
And I say,
do fear, poppy, Charlie, my man got it. I'll say it's never too late. We can make this happen, okay? You bought to my you mind see. I saw for, I come for, mallam for. I'll be able to make the one pie, but that attack I'm on nature. Fata, you know Kofi Kenata?
Yeah, Kofi Kenata.
And you know you be up. I'm a fancy brother. I don't say a one fancy brother. Also, I'm sure he's watching and he will definitely reach out to support. Hi. And see, we'll put the interview here. We'll come back and do some more. Okay. And then whatever comes out of this, I'll let you know. Okay. And Bibiane, I'm a brother, my rep or Haninti. Bibia, Mama will reach you. Okay. Since the only phone in now, yeah, share a dofa or pedal or one. Okay. Or boy, but them American kids and heaven help those who help themselves. It started there or born first. Now one hour Waba will push you kakra. Shatawale Okeshem 10 years or so. But Sobe is only know the most talk about artists to Ghana. I want you to make that change. That's okay. In the artist to be a sopana or yare or call off for so many years, 13 years, right? and Abba ne rule Ghana music industry. Sopo will be proud of you. Even now, Mayor in the first, and we are proud of you. So we believe in you that able to my more, okay? And so don't give up. Okay. All right. Until when the interview, your last message for your fans out there.
Oh yeah, I'll give praises to the Almighty that He should bless everybody and everybody to try and help, because poverty is not a good thing.
Charlie.
And you should know why. I mean, this, and I've sent everything to my brother, and he has taught everybody. So I hope I'm praying. As I'm praying, God will listen to my prayers, and He will open big ways for you to understand me and help me in everything that we did here. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen. Charlie.
I love everybody too.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Charlie. Last freestyle.
Yeah, man. You want this or last freestyle? Make I give you. But when you mic and I'm on your last freestyle, I want to read. But for quite we were very sensitive. So like this, make it go.
Yeah. Slacks ya it's been out away. Them have to know what's a burn, burn, burn. Chew. Slacks ya not away. Them have to know say burn, burn, burn. When me go up on me knees and me pray, me say Ghana, Ghana rise up. Slacks ya it's away, it's away. Me say burn, burn, burn. Why? Slaxy, I me give thanks and praise anytime. Me no match it, and them a talk about me swine. Me know se Jaja Emperor Slaxy, I me name. When me go on me knees and me pray, him want hear me. So upon them big up them cheers. Me no mind what them say. Me know se Jah guide and protect and me mind. When me toss them, me know se man them go and shine. Babylon, what you want is from revelation. Me I tell you, say me no need commotion. Slaxy, me what about Pakorich say? Let us Slax, I say, way. Slax bless up, you know.
Yeah, man.
Pakorich #1.
It's a Martin. I said that that's what it is. I that just start here that stop boy to pull so fire out of here show. And Charlie, every dancehall artist, this is a bad man, rude boy in here. They come like a guy, so make you look out for cowboy. Charlie, with your support, we can make this happen. I'm out of here. My name is DJPAKORICH. Subscribe to the channel, and then we'll bring you more of this.
Amen.
Very exciting interviews, very revealing interview. Not the lazy ones who they're cut down there. The real heroes in here that brown. Big ups, everybody. Subscribe and share.